How to change controller on Elegance 2. First, we use screwdriver to remove the 4 screws. Then we can take off the case of the battery and take out the controller. There are a lot of wires. We first pull off this biggest one. Find this one covered in plastic, then we pull it off. This black one as well. Then we find this white one and press both sides together to pull it off. Next, we use pliers to move these retaining tabs and disconnect this power line. And keep moving these retaining tabs to get the entire line off. We need to cut the strings that ties them together to release the controller. Now you successfully take off the controller. When you get a new controller, there are 2 wires which don't need to connect. We put the biggest wire through the bottom of the box and follow the path of those retaining tabs and connect with the wheel. Then we connect the 2 wires, black to black, red to red. Connect the matching white wire. Find the black one to connect to the black one. And we connect the 2 thickest wires, black to black, red to red. Secure the wire in place with the included plastic straps. And put everything back into the box. Put back the case. Use the screwdriver again to put 4 screws back in places. Thanks for watching.